In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Greek on Google Translate. By the end, you will be able to translate Greek even when your phone has no internet connection at all. First, open the Google Translate app. On most phones, you will see the familiar white screen with two language boxes at the top and a big area for typing or pasting text. If you do not see that, close the app and open it again from your home screen or app drawer so you start from a clean state. Next, make sure you are connected to Wi-Fi. Look at the status bar on your phone and check for the Wi-Fi icon. Using Wi-Fi avoids using mobile data, which matters because offline language files can be quite large, and on some plans, downloading them over mobile data can use a lot of your allowance. If you only have mobile data, the download can still work, but it may be slower. Now tap the language at the top of the screen. On Android, it may appear at the bottom instead, under the text box. You will see two language labels, one for the language you are translating from, and one for the language you are translating to. Tap either one, it does not matter which, because the offline download list is the same. As soon as you tap, a full screen list of languages will slide into view. From here, scroll through the list and find Greek. The languages are usually in alphabetical order using their English names. Drag the list up slowly so you do not skip past it. When you reach it, you should see the word Greek on the left side and sometimes a small note if it is already available offline. If you scroll too far, just slide the list back down a little. Once you have found Greek, tap the download icon next to it. The icon looks like a small arrow pointing down. As soon as you tap it, the icon will change to show that the download has started. Some beginners tap the word Greek instead of the icon, which only changes the active language but does not start the offline download, so make sure you touch the arrow. If you are prompted, tap Download to confirm. A small window will appear showing the file size and reminding you about data use. This extra step is there so you do not start a large download by accident. When you tap Download, the window disappears and you return to the language list, where Greek now shows a progress indicator. Now wait for the download to finish. You will see a small spinner or progress bar while it is working, and this can take from a few seconds to a couple of minutes depending on your connection. When it is ready for offline use, the word downloaded will appear next to Greek instead of the arrow, so you know it is stored on your device. You have now downloaded Greek in Google Translate so you can translate to or from Greek even without an internet connection. If this helped you get Greek working offline, a quick thumbs up really helps others find it, and feel free to subscribe for more simple Google Translate guides.